Well, normally I'm going to show you a video of us pumping. I sort of like the other pumps. They all got an adventure. But this one really turned into an adventure. So this is going to be more of a video of what happens when you get a half a dozen concrete trucks stuck up. Oh, Lord. We fought this one from tooth to nail. Still got down 295 yards. Look behind me. You can see the road. But the ground over here, oh, Lord. We had to fight it the whole way. Tried to get the truck drivers. We had a road built in. Trying to get a cement truck driver to listen to you. They got a mind of their own. You know, they're out here at night, hadn't seen the place, and they couldn't see what we were trying to tell them, so they'd just drive anywhere. So, look at this video. You probably tell me what you think about it. It's funny now, but it was a lot of work then. Hope everybody likes it, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Thanks. One of them nights, done got this truck stuck up. Got a concrete truck stuck up over here. We are pouring concrete though. We are started pouring. Damn, it got me buried in here. Here. Oh shit. We're not going nowhere. No! Damn it. Not only are we getting stuck up here, but now we seem to have a clog in the pumper truck. See what's going on. It's starting to clear out. What a mess. Aha! Let's let the good times roll. Trucks getting stuck up sure has put us behind. Then we'll be pumping at 1 o'clock. Well, there's another one. Oh, what fun we're having on the bayou. Try to tell these drivers they got a mind of their own. Too far on my way.
La gente, mira, no me levante la voz, no me levante la voz, yo no quiero discutir. No, pero que tú me estás echando la culpa a mí y esto.
Now the stuck up truck. Come on, baby. Come on, don't walk in front of me. Go, 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 give me gas, give me gas. Go.